welcome back to my channel. My name is Corinne. Her name is Nora. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Today I am sharing with you guys my little secret of my extensions I wear. The best part, 9 buckaroonies. $9. Amazon, can't beat it. I think it's $9.99 actually. So, but yeah, I show you guys how I put them in. So if you want to see me go from this to this, then just keep watching. I have a sleeping baby, so that's why I'm kind of talking like a creepy person. I am almost 5 months postpartum, and I'm losing my hair. And being blonde doesn't help, but definitely is mainly to postpartum. I'm very self-conscious about it. I wanted to show you guys Amazon extension, halo extension. I have bought cheap halo extensions for years. The trick is just cutting it yourself and then styling it. I will link below the one I got. It's so cheap too that if it doesn't fit or match, like whatever, but next time I order a new one, I will show you guys how I cut it and style it. Literally kitchen scissors. Not really, but like cheap scissors. I don't have expensive shears or anything, so I just cut it for length, and then I just kind of, I put it on, then I cut it to see where I want it to lay. I thin it out a little bit. It took me so long to realize the reason it wasn't styling is because my straightening iron, my straightener was on a high temperature setting. It needs to be on the lowest to do anything, like to curl it, straighten it, whatever. It has to be on the very lowest. So mine goes from like 5 to 20 for the meter of the temperature. I put mine on the lowest, and then I'm able to just do soft little beach waves, and that's what I did before. I just blow dried it, so it's really poofy, but like I'm just losing my hair. This is all that's on this side. And you might not be able to tell, but I can. And I'm very self-conscious about it, and I just want to show you. Because everybody's wearing fake hair, so why can't we? And I'm not about to spend $500 on extensions, so $9, let me show ya. So my hair is blow dried. I have a flat iron on. I'm just gonna do a few just like wavy pieces. Please don't judge my ends. I know I need a haircut. So this is the extensions. I really need to brush them. Hold on. But here they are. I took them on a trip last weekend and wore them literally like all day. So they've been through it, and it was raining. That's why you could see like some of them fell, and you got this really curly one. But I'm just gonna lay these here. Flat iron is on. So the nice thing about this is it kind of makes it look like naturally, like I have layers. So like these are my layers, and then like these are my face framing pieces. So I don't go too curly with my hair. I just kind of do a little bit of here. That looks really crappy. But I'm really PC with this because you just want it to look natural. That looks like dookie. I'm not in front of a mirror, so that's kind of why I'm using my phone. Ooh, too curly. To give my hair some sort of a wave, basically. You could section your hair and do it more uniform, but I find that when I do it piecey like this, it just kind of like looks more natural instead of, ow, how's my neck? Baby's sleeping and I feel like I'm about to hear her. No, I have so much to do. I have so much to do. Perfect. Ooh, that is buttery. I hope y'all like the vlogs. I know a lot of y'all signed on when I was just doing makeup, so I hope you're not too turned off by the new content. still me. I'm just a mommy now. This guy looks not cute. Whatever. Okay, so. I keep thinking I hear her. I'm gonna leave out these front pieces. Is that her? I'm losing my mind, y'all. You don't need a comb, but I just do because it's easier. So leave these front two pieces out, then do the rest of your hair like half up, half down. I'm sure there's more professional way to do this, but this is just how I do it. So once again, not a professional. So you take the extensions, flip it around, and you just place it on. Bring it forward. So then you take out, I swear I hear her. Whatever. Yeah, I was right. Alright, let me go put the passy back in and then I'll be right back. Oh my Lord, child. Someone's up from her nap. Whew. Let go of mommy's fake hair, please. Oh no, it's real hair. Someone woke up. Like, look at her now compared to the vlogs. Say, I'm gonna be 5 months old. I love you, pretty girl. She said, I was not having that nap, Mama Jama. All right, you lay here and your mommy's just almost done with her video. Okay. So literally I just put it on, took the ponytail out. So you can see that's where the little halo is. It's stretchy, it's clear. So I just like to take a brush, just kind of brush my hair over that. Ooh, God, that is so crimped. I need to fix that. And this is actually where you take a comb and just kind of like pull out hair over it to make it blend. So I'm pulling hair out in the back. Not too much though, because you don't want it to be like my real hair and then like the long hair. So just enough to blend. Are you watching mommy? Give it a few shakes, kind of work your hands into it just to massage and make sure like that's not too noticeable. And what I have found is the first time I wore it and I went and talked to Mike, my husband, because I wanted to see if it was so noticeable to him, then it would be noticeable to like other people. LOL. It's not like we're seeing people here anyways. But you know what I'm saying. So if they don't notice like right away when they're like, oh, what, you know, then that's good. So I sat and talked to him for a few minutes and he was like, you look nice, like shocker, because he was like, your hair looks really good. And I was like, thanks. And then I'm just the worst liar that he knows me and he knows I wear these. So he's like, is that fake hair? But just because he knows me and he knows I like to wear these. So yeah, like I can tell I need to probably redo a few of my pieces of hair. But as long as, like, the way I look at it is no one's gonna be going up to you and like looking at your scalp. You know what I'm saying? Bless you. So I'm gonna fix this guy real quick. Are you watching Mama? Just to get that crump out. I had just blow dried my hair. My hair is still kind of damp, so that's probably why it was looking weird. But I'll tell you what. Whoa. Just like makeup is empowering, I feel like having hair makes me feel a lot. It's not even for other people, it's for myself. So yeah, you could like put it behind your hair, your ear, your hair, you guys. But yeah, literally just cut it with some scissors. What the back looks like. I'm hoping it looks good. Let's see. I don't know what you're seeing, but I think it's pretty natural. I think the key is cutting it yourself, styling it. Like this is how I would wear my hair anyways, because the way it comes, most of them are so long and it's like you could do jump rope with how long they are. So I'm not trying to look like Rapunzel, I'm trying to look as natural as possible. So I mean, obviously this gives me some crazy length because my hair is like to here, but I feel like overall it really gives thickness. So yeah, I really dig it. I think half the battle is finding the color that matches you the best. And that's where it gets tricky. Like I had to really stalk reviews, watch like the people that posted their own pictures with the review, and I was like, okay, is their hair close to mine? And being blonde, is that funny? Oh my goodness. Do you want to say something? I didn't want it to be too gold. I didn't want it to be too like ashy. So I'm actually really happy because I feel like this really matches my hair the best. So we're in a world of extensions. Why not try them? And these are only $9.99. Like, are you kidding me? Meow. Also, having fresh hair on top makes a huge difference. But like I said, if like my hair is greasy and I don't know what to do, I will put this on and not even worry about the top. And then just like put a hat on and just let my hair fly. What you think, NJ? And I don't think it's as noticeable unless someone like saw you every day, you know, but hey, this is more for you. Like I told my husband, I was like I care about what he thinks and I want him to think I'm attractive and stuff, but like this is for me. I feel like hair is such a personal thing for women, and if this makes you feel more beautiful, then do it. Obviously it does shed because it's fake, so whatever, but we gotta show everyone Miss Norah James. Oh, say I just found my voice in the past few weeks. Can you say that? Oh. Take it out and say something. Oh, you gonna be sassy with mommy? And honestly, I don't wear it too much because the reason I'm also losing my hair is because she's ripping it out. But, I mean, she spits up constantly and I don't want it to get on them, but yeah. Say hi, everyone. Say subscribe down below. Subscribe down below. I love you. You smell like a baby. You smell like a baby. But I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's kind of random, but I just couldn't not tell you guys about it. Now you're gonna know my secret, but I don't care because whatever. So yeah, I mean, I could do a better job hiding it, but I just don't care today. But you get the gist. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.